Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video, we'll learn how to block a program using Windows Defender Firewall. So guys, without any delay, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's demonstration. Okay friends, so now we are on our lab environment. In this video, we'll basically see how to create a program firewall rule to block specific program. So guys, before we proceed for our demonstration, let us understand this concept with one scenario. So guys, in my organization, I don't want my users to use Internet Explorer. I want them to use Firefox or either Google Chrome. So I will be creating a rule inside our Windows firewall for blocking internet access to Internet Explorer. So guys, let's see how we can do this. You can simply open Server Manager. In Windows Firewall, simply click on Domain on. So you can see our Windows Firewall is now open. Let me minimize Server Manager. So here you can simply click on Advanced Settings. So it will open Windows Firewall and Advanced Security page. Now here we'll click on Outbound Rules. Okay friends, so now we'll create two outbound rules to restrict Internet Explorer using Internet. So we'll click on Outbound Rules. I will right click over here and we'll click on New Rule. So our new outbound rule wizard will get open. In the rule type, make sure whenever you will open new outbound rule wizard, make sure program is selected. Now we'll click on next. In specify the full program path and executable name for the program that this rule matches. We'll select this program path. So here we'll give the path to our program. So we'll click on browse. We'll open C drive. We'll click on program files. And here you can see there is a folder of Internet Explorer. We'll double click over here. And now we'll select iExplorer application. We'll click on open. So you can see our path is now selected of exe of Internet Explorer. Now we'll click on next. And in the action, we have to specify the action to be taken when the connection matches the condition specified in the rule. So there are three options, like allow the connection if it is secure, or the third option is block the connection. So we have to block the connection. So we'll select the third radio button and now we'll click on next. So guys, in profile, we have to specify the profile for which the rules applies. So we have the domain option, private and public. If we will select the domain option, it will apply when a computer is connected to a specific domain. Then the second option, we have a private. So it will only apply when we have a private network such as our home or workspace. In the public, so it will apply only when our computer is connected to any of the public network. So we'll select all of three. Now we'll click on next. Now in specify the name for and description for this rule, we'll give it a name. So we have given the name application block and the description is IE block, which is Internet Explorer block. Now we will click on finish to create a rule. In the top of the list, our rule application block is successfully created. So friends, in this computer, we have two versions of Internet Explorer. One is of 32-bit and one is of 64-bit. So friends, now let's block Internet Explorer of 32-bit. So for that, we'll again right click on outbound rules. We'll create new rule. Now we'll select programs. We'll click on next. Now in this program path, we'll click on browse. We'll click on C drive and now we'll open program files. Here we have a folder Internet Explorer. And now we'll select iExplore. We'll select this. We'll click on open. And now we'll click on next after giving the path. In the action, we'll select block the connection. Now we'll click on next. Yes, we want to apply the rules for all the three: domain, private and public. Now we'll click on next. Again, we have to give the name to this new rule. So friends, after giving the name application block 2 and adding the description, we'll click on finish. So guys, both the outbound rules for blocking the Internet Explorer is successfully created, and they take place immediately when we create it. So now we are good to go to test our Internet Explorer, whether we are in a position to search anything in Internet Explorer or not. In future, if you want to again use the Internet Explorer, you can simply just delete these rules and you will be able to access Internet Explorer. Now let's test if you are able to Google anything or open any website or anything in Internet Explorer or not. So I will minimize this. Now I will open Internet Explorer. I will maximize this. In a new tab, I will enter google.com. I will press enter. And you can see we got a message unable to open the search page. We'll click on OK. Again, I will try to open my website, which is kaptechpro.com. So you can see we are again getting message unable to open the search page. So just because of the firewall, you can see we are unable to search anything on Internet Explorer. Now let's test the same thing on our another browser. We can use Google Chrome as of now. Okay, in the new tab, I will open my website first. So you can see I am able to access my website. Let's open YouTube as well. So you can see I can search anything on my browser Chrome. So friends, by this way you can create your own rules and you can block any program or any application for being accessible to any user. Now in my organization, users can only access Google Chrome, not Internet Explorer. So that's it for this demonstration, guys. I will see you guys in next video.